Hello children, today we'll discuss about physical and chemical changes. Now what are physical properties? Physical properties are substances as shape, color and state of a substance. Now what is a physical change? A physical change is a change in which only physical properties of any substance change and no new substance is formed. A physical change is mostly reversible. Characteristics of physical change. It does not form a new substance. The chemical properties are not changed, they are reversible. For example, stretching of a rubber band or a spring balance. When water is heated, it converts into steam. If steam is cooled, we get back the water. Ice is freeze to water. When ice is heated, it melts and gives liquid. Attraction of iron filings by a magnet. All these are physical changes. Then what is a chemical change? A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. It is also called a chemical reaction. For example, formation of curd from milk, burning of paper. A chemical reaction is a substance undergoing reaction are called reactants, which while the newly formed substance due to the reaction are called products. For example, hydrogen combines with oxygen, giving you water. Here H2 and O2 are reactants. That is, hydrogen and oxygen, they both react with each other to form a new substance, water, which is called the product. Then what is a chemical equation? It is a brief representation of a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formula of reactants and products. For example, carbon dioxide gas is passed through freshly prepared lime water. Lime water turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate, that is the product. Carbon dioxide plus lime water gives you calcium carbonate plus water. In the form of chemical equation, it can be written as, I have written the equation on the board. It is CO2 plus CaOH twice gives you calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3 plus water. Now in this equation we have reactants, that is on the left hand side there are the reactants, on the right hand side they are the products. Now the substances which react together, they are carbon dioxide. Symbol for carbon dioxide is CO2. Then we have lime water, that is calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice. Then we have from the product side, when these two react we get calcium carbonate, that is calcium CaCO3 plus water. Now what are the characteristics of a chemical change? A new product or products are formed, the original properties are not retained, the chemical changes are irreversible, a chemical change results in release or absorption of energy. There may be heat, light or any other radiations may be given off or absorbed. Sound may be produced. A change in a smell may take place or a new substance may be given off. A color change may take place. A gas may be formed. That is, these are the changes that happens when a chemical change is there. For example, burning of coal or wood is a chemical change which is accompanied with heat and light. Now what is rust? Rust is a thin film of brownish substance on the iron articles. Then what is rusting? The process by which rust is formed on an iron object is called rusting in presence of moisture, that is water vapor and oxygen. For example, if a piece of iron left in the open for some time, it acquires a film of brownish substance which is called rust. Equation will be iron plus oxygen plus moisture gives you rust. That means rust is another name is iron oxide. Now rust and iron both are two different things. Now methods to prevent rusting. Iron particles should not come in contact with oxygen or water vapor or both. To prevent rusting, the methods are as follows. Apply a coat of paint or grease regularly. Deposit a layer of metal such as zinc or chromium on iron. Galvanization is a process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron objects. What is crystallization? Large crystals of pure substance can be formed from their saturated solution. The process of formation of crystals is called crystallization. It is a physical change. Burning of magnesium ribbon, it burns with a white dazzling flame, leaving behind a powdery ash. It is magnesium oxide, a chemical change. Copper sulfate is also known as blue withdrawal. Now, preparation of copper sulfate crystals, it is an activity which is given in the textbook on page 64. You can go through that activity 6.9. Thank you.